Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
Are you ready to take the TOEFL? Let's jump in. Have you ever wondered how the IT industry has revolutionized the way we live? In the blink of an eye, we've moved from telephone lines to wireless networks, from cumbersome desktops to sleek handheld devices. This digital evolution has transformed not just our personal lives, but industries and economies worldwide. Now imagine a world where this digital revolution never occurred. How would our lives be different? Respond in a paragraph, incorporating your thoughts on communication, commerce, and everyday conveniences. Here's a possible response. Without the IT revolution, communication would be slower and less efficient, relying heavily on mail and landlines. Commerce would lack the ease and global reach of e-commerce, and everyday conveniences like online banking, GPS navigation, and instant information access would be non-existent. To go deeper into such thought-provoking questions, continue tuning into this channel and request a TOEFL session with me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and discussions. Until next time, keep exploring the power of what ifs. Bye for now.